talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your old PDF reader app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for all PDF reader app, or just click on search, then here add all PDF reader app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for PDF reader app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like